Nokia's new G42 smartphone is designed for easy self-repairs. And it boasts a 50 megapixels main camera and 6.5 display. Finally, some smartphone manufacturers are realizing that the ability to repair your phone should be built in and easily accessible. HMD just announced a new Nokia phone, the G42, that is designed for easy DIY repairs. The body's design allows for near-immediate access to the screen, battery, back cover, and charging port, and the company paired up with iFixit to supply replacement parts. To that end, iFixit will sell individual replacement parts and comprehensive repair tools. HMD. There are some serious specs to dive into. The Nokia G42 boasts a 50MP primary camera, an 8 megapixels front-facing camera, and a 2 megapixels macro camera. There's a nice 6.56-inch IPS LCD HD+ screen with a 90 Hz refresh rate. The 5000 mAh battery should get you around 3 days of normal use before requiring a charge. HMD claims it will retain 80% of its original capacity even after 800 charging cycles. There's also a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, a micro SD card slot, and a water-resistant frame. The whole thing is powered by the Snapdragon 480 Plus chipset, with RAM options up to 6 GB and 128 GB of internal storage that's upgradable via the card mentioned above slot. The Nokia G42